Welcome back to this video. In this video, I will show you how to turn on closed caption to your video on your Instagram Reels. Let me show you how. Very first thing you want to do is open up your Instagram account. Go ahead and click on your profile icon. Go ahead and click on your video icon right here. Your wrist icon, click on it. Select the video you want to enable closed caption for. Go ahead and click on these three dots from the bottom right here. Go ahead and click on manage. Go ahead and click on edit. And scroll down right here. Go ahead and click on advanced settings. Then go ahead and make sure you turn on this button right here. It's that simple. With that, your video will show auto-generated caption if you are turn them on. You can change this setting for individual posts from edit menu. It's that simple. What this simply means is that anybody can watch your video in whatever language they think they understand perfectly, and then with that you'll get more engagement, more view, and more viral posts on your Instagram Reels. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial tips and tricks like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.